To fix a Koorui monitor black screen issue, several possible causes must be considered. The problem may stem from power issues, faulty cables, or faulty monitor parts. To address these issues, start by inspecting the power outlet to confirm the monitor is properly plugged in. Test the outlet by plugging in a different device to verify its functionality. And if necessary, plug the monitor into a different outlet. Next, inspect the cables to ensure they are properly connected to both the monitor and the PC device. Check the cables for any damage, such as cuts or bends, and replace them if necessary. Additionally, try connecting the cables to another device to determine if they are faulty. If a cable is not working, replace it. Another step is to unplug the monitor from the PC. Wait a few minutes, and then plug it back in, as this can help resolve connectivity issues caused by worn-out parts. By following these steps, it is possible to fix a Koorui monitor black screen issue.